What makes a teacher? Beyond the stereotypical, tight-bond, book-wielding mind full of knowledge, a teacher, beyond the profession, is a person. A person who poured countless hours, immeasurable effort, and remarkable self-sacrifice to be able to attain and maintain their career, and continue to do so every day for the generations that may change the future drastically. A teacher is someone that guides their students and equips them with the intellectual weapons they need to thrive in the world. Teachers kindle the sparks within the students and turn it into a burning passion that they also have. The same passion that powers the teacher to strive and continue the noble act of helping those who needs their help. Ideally, a teacher is someone who is smart, compassionate, patient, and most of all, humane. To be able to properly understand the students, where they are coming from, and to be able to see a path that the student is most compatible with. I think what makes a teacher is their ability to maintain their composure amidst the challenges they have to face on a daily basis, from teaching their classrooms and managing their personal lives, all while keeping themselves up to date with the continuous and constant changes that occurs within the world. For me, a teacher's soul is what makes them great. The ability to create a rational decision, have a gut feeling of what's true, and a heart that can pour its entirety is what their soul needs to resonate and fuel their drive to continue their vocation. A teacher's sacrifice is great. They spend more than half of their life teaching and touching the lives of people to strive and make a difference in the world. To me, the efforts of teachers is something I hold especially dear. It is something that I admire and keep in mind when I struggle on the road to becoming one. Because if I'm struggling now, then how much struggle could they have been through? As a teacher, it is a given that we are concerned with the students' well-being and future. This means that we are also involved due to our influence over our students for majority of their young lives. Teaching, testing, and assessing their potential and honing their skills to fruition for when the time comes to choose their career path in life. This is where the problem comes into place. Students are equipped with the skills to pursue any course that they wish to take, but they are unmotivated to pursue and continue their courses. This research focused on the different influences and reasons as to why the students chose the S.A.M strand, what they want to be, and if they are willing to pursue their chosen course. In our survey, with 20 respondents, we learned that 80% of them are fairly interested with the disciplines, and 85% are pursuing a STEM-related course. These courses include engineering, courses in the medical field, and information technology. The motivation of majority of these students is their passion. Others chose to pursue STEM-related courses because of their friends, family, opportunity, and their willingness to serve. On the other hand, the 20% of the students who were not interested in the STEM-related courses and 35% of the overall percentage of the respondents are pursuing less compatible college courses because of STEM. By this raw statistic alone, it shows that not 100% of the STEM students chose their strands because of their own passion. and that there will always be students who take courses that does not line up with their passion or is incompatible with their interests and skills. This research aims to understand the motivations and the different factors that affects the students in trying to make a decision for their future careers, and to promote counseling to the students to help them solidify their decisions regarding future careers. As a solution for their lack of motivation towards pursuing their respective courses. As a teacher, helping our students with their motivational issues and also with their plans for the future is a given. As a teacher who guides their students, we must support them and push them to be the best version of themselves, with the best possible solution being in their grasps. It is within our part to make sure that they will secure the future they wish to have, and it begins with their first solidifying step.